10 best places to live in Gloucestershire. It's great to be together here again. We have exciting places to discuss today, and they all are in Gloucestershire. This is a county that elegantly bridges the charm and the energy of its towns, offering a diverse tapestry for movers. The county of rolling hills and historic market towns is an area that also combines peaceful rural living with urban amenities convenience. Its picturesque landscapes and rich cultural heritage certainly are undeniable draws. If there's indeed life outside London, it must be in Gloucestershire, which has been consistently listed among the best places to live in the UK. This video discusses the 10 best places to live in Gloucestershire. We'd appreciate your comments at the end of the video. 10. Nailsworth. We feel proud to begin this one with Nailsworth. This essential English town has everything about it summed up as a buzzy, artistic haven. Nailsworth is an attraction for businesses that are quirky and funky with its strong café culture, collaborating with its cool boutiques, restaurants, and galleries. It has a couple of more notable and acclaimed eating spots. They dish more family-friendly meals. The town has been praised also for keeping a strong community feel, creating an enabling environment for businesses, including butchers, bakers, fishmongers, hardware, and general stores. Besides, there's the annual Arts and Music Nailsworth Festival every May. You can hardly fault Nailsworth for its location. It is surrounded by those hills and valleys of the Stroud valleys. 9. Painswick. Next is Painswick, a town called the Queen of the Cotswolds. Painswick is considered one of the most desirable places to live in Gloucestershire. No doubt its charm lies in its narrow streets, historic architecture, and stunning countryside views. But we can't also ignore its community and lifestyle, as the town offers a close-knit community where peace and tranquility mark the lifestyle. Do you prefer a slower pace of life? Head straight to Painswick and enjoy its natural beauty. Are you an enthusiast of nature and outdoor activities? Painswick, surrounded by rolling hills, and the Cotswold countryside can be your haven. Its essential amenities give a quaint and rural feel, while it is within easy reach of larger towns such as Stroud and Gloucester. The average price of a flat is £356,778. 8. Tetbury. Tetbury is a haven of quirky cottages, plus friendly pubs and quaint shops. It offers a countryside retreat with a calmer pace of life while it is surrounded by green fields and countryside walks. If you browse antique shops, your search engine will find those in Tetbury, as it has them in spades. Imagine that little town being home to not less than 25 shops of them. That's not all. Its 4 streets feature boutiques, interiors, and independent food shops for which you can pay anything. If you are a foodie, you will be spoiled for choice with pubs. The Snooty Fox and the Gumstool Inn at Calcutta Hotel is there for your patronage. It is being rivalled by Hobbs House Bakery and the House of Cheese during the lunch hours of the week. Homes here cost an average of around £420,000 though. With a mere £335,000, you could pick up a terraced pad. 7. Cirencester. The buzzing market town of Cirencester has ancient roots deserving your time if you've got a head for history. Its Carinium Museum speaks a lot to the activities of the ancient Roman settlers in the town. The old amphitheatre can show all that to you. Before you explore the town's continually thriving market to pick 1 or 2 things, you can explore the abbey and its grounds that have been in place since almost 1,000 years ago. But there are more interesting things about Cirencester. The town boasts a thriving community with great facilities with many beautiful places to live. Among them are its charming cottages just off the main square down to the family-ready estates at its fringes. The passionate community vibe in Cirencester makes it an incredibly friendly town. 6. Winchcombe. Like many of Gloucestershire's favourite spots so far mentioned and others yet to be mentioned, Winchcombe has featured in several TV series and films, including Father Brown. This is a town with a bustling market town filled with stunning architecture, mostly timber. Living in this town gives you the rare opportunity to visit sprawling gardens and be absorbed in enchanting history. 5. Chipping Campden. The attractions of Chipping Campden's honey-coloured stone houses lining its pretty ancient streets are enough to earn it a slot on this list. Its lush surrounding countryside could also be hard to resist. This quintessential town in Gloucestershire has a high street that has been described as Britain's most beautiful, with parts that go back to the 7th century. Another great attraction of this town is its antiques. But there are a lot of pubs to seek out sustenance following all that antique hunting, and indeed, there are a great range of top-class eating spots. Chipping Campden also features a world-class music festival every year. 4. Charlton Kings. Charlton Kings is located near Cheltenham. Families, professionals and retirees love to visit this town. The town perfectly blends rural charm with urban convenience and deserves to be included here. It has top-rated schools offering excellent education, such as Balcarras School, which is highly regarded. The community in Charlton Kings is welcoming and vibrant. It has a strong sense of togetherness. Residents often take pride in its strong sense of community, allowing for thriving local shops and amenities, and this community feel is non-negotiable. Its relatively low crime rate contributes to its reputation as a safe and tranquil place to live. Community hubs include places like the Charlton Kings Youth and Community Centre and Kings Hall, which serve as central spots for events, activities, youth programmes and social gatherings. Active groups. Charlton Kings include community players that organise events and social gatherings fostering creativity and engagement among residents. 3. Colford. Colford is nestled within the picturesque Forest of Dean, proudly marking Gloucestershire. This town offers a unique blend of rustic charm and modern conveniences. It is certainly an intriguing option for those considering relocating out of cities to have a taste of rural life. This vibrant market town boasts rich attractions like the Colford Great Western Railway Museum, which highlights its storied past. Its industrial heritage is part of its historical attraction. Movers might find appealing options in areas such as Berry Hill or Colway when looking for available homes. Each of these places mentioned offers a unique community vibe. While Colford provides a peaceful retreat, it also gives residents unfettered access to nature. 2. Bourton-on-the-Edge. Bourton-on-the-Edge is a town in the heart of the Cotswolds. It is unarguably one of the 10 best places to live in Gloucestershire. This town offers a tapestry of picturesque landscapes, historic charm, and a vibrant community life. It is a market town, gorgeously flanked by the serene hills of Gloucestershire. It is a shore haven for seekers of a mix of rural beauty and modern convenience. There's a place for every preference here, from the quaint cottages flanking Old Town to the modern homes in the vicinity of Sinwell. While Bourton-on-the-Edge boasts excellent walking trails, it also has a strong sense of community. 1. Bourton-on-the-Water. The convenient spot to end this discussion is Bourton-on-the-Water. This town is often fondly called the Venice of the Cotswolds, and for good reasons. As one of the most picturesque and charming places in the county, we include Bourton-on-the-Water on this list of the 10 best places to live in Gloucestershire. Its scenic beauty is not debatable, as apparent in its stone bridges crossing the River Windrush. Its rich history dating back to the Roman era has been told many times by its structures. All that makes Bourton-on-Water a sought-after location. Even families love to settle in this village as they find it ideal. Professionals seeking tranquility too see it that way. Its vibrant community, local amenities, and other attractions like the Cotswold Motoring Museum. The home of Model Village might feel too quiet for demography, such as young adults who thrive on nightlife, but that has been compensated for what has been said earlier. To conclude this video, we need to let you know that your valuable opinion is quite important to us. Please let us continue this intriguing discussion in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.